Mo man go school, man, mo solicitors. Mo ye just on mere lawyers like me. Utimi fill application form. Lawyer Pike wa bre. Wa fan titiye mu. En wa bedru sabri. Enti wuntimi nyusu obi din. En repeat. En lawyer. Na sa lawyer no mintimi mi enche no. O de ya na wo sere. Wo de wo awie o. Wa bobra na wie. De obenya wanya awie nti wo hawo. Mimi ya sofo ma. Na wo bia ko se mi din. Abena skin page GSika. Me why I don't have any clue. Lawyer. Me why I don't have any clue. Me to me yem lawyer ni enchene fa ntum. Na I don't have any clue. Ni ase wudin, ni ase wukunudin. Eja kwa akukwa jeje nkofo sika. A minim ho hwe. Yenya wobi Ema ne kansan fu e de be fa me mabana me ni kunu ho. Na wo ye lawyer bi no de wo lawyer Pike sa o Kent Road. Sa momo de monkasa. Me de me kasa because wo lawyer Pike de wo ba bi a wo pen dru no wawie wo abraboni. Wawie. You don't need anything anymore. Ba me de me wie. Me ma me boa Ghana fo. Emma mom enti wo ye lawyer na wo tie me na se wo use abonus campaign edidi nsanfo a lawyer backing be careful because me nya adwuma ma wo mo ye okay se me ye program a mo beba so mo benya client through me program I don't care because wo ye Ghana ni nti me ye adwuma serve wa me pe sa me be lawyer wo ba na oba mi program so oba wo mo comment obi busa question no or contact wo mo eti gya no mia me ho ne san baaye lawyer Pike the whole UK ono nko ane lawyer Patrick Fodoson ba wono ne oka Pika obia refer to space obia refer to lawyer Patrick eye Fortwell oka Pika obia refer to Fortwell solicitors. You will pick is bebre, but a pick Fortwell. A one and two, what can pick I was a Fortwell. Obo, not in the answer. Lawyer be our two chunk of Wasumuno, and your lawyer pick away you. We are back out when it's about the time I was a chunk of what say. So what call lawyer bigo now or lawyer no, every now. Obulew sika wode ma me yo say report my police yenye wo hwe you are vulnerable obegina so kra de nyankrata echina ya kwantio mu se meko bebre echina meko bebre ene de lawyer Pike eyi o de ono no onkasa because wanya ni sika awie ohia sika ohia hwe edi no wage awie me de me ma megu mani mu ase o because me free big family mu skin pain YF me mo bi me say me din because me ko Ghana me was board me brother any honorable Kwame Chei Kotoko chairman YF enti ma wo ma me fa wo 2000 8,000 pounds now wo lawyer no gisika de hwe wo yere ne wo ma now me de wo be say me din na me busuanfo te Ghana ombeti eni ebo abena din because ha wo duebo ni ebo mi din me ma wo meye sa enu nti na me ye adwuma ma obi a mi niska ba se kra mbeji muska because mo ye ungrateful wa bahana me ma ye adwuma me bo nurse fo ho da wuro bo school fo ho da wuro na wa kukuru sam de ko ba ken wo de be ko ayilis me ye adwuma ni wie na mo de akoma lawyer foforo na mo ko na nwe ne sia mo ba be repairers wa ha meji muska say and there for your information you say wo frame me kwa na agi advice I will charge you me ka no ha mo atiase enti mo go kan kire wo mo say abena skin pain so obeji iska lawyers no they are not better than me minimum mra ne kura sen sa wo mo omo de na omo nim lawyer good morning mechiao
Me too so.
Na ho ye.
Yeah, papa.
Ana wo ne
Space
be
in
yes
everything.
connection na wako anu atum sa no. O ka ho. Woni mo.
Me. Abuna ade ne say
Se ne wo kasa ye no.
what we need to understand is say oni akona or kase woni me. Na ba me office say no. Me Jimmy di say okọ na okoto say enye lawyer PK no hu no Abena campaign program no so no. Ono no ti ho ya. Who you sure say say sika no or the beko.
Lawyer na say wo kasa abena. Oduru ho kura wo mfrɛ wo. Wakotena lawyer wan frɛ me. E kire no na me so osuro wan frɛ me. Wo kan.
Yes. Enti no the fact still remains say yenso ye ka ho. Na amanfo den di e bone no. Yenso ye ka ho. Nti no nsem bi say no fine. Me, I will not talk about it. As far as me nim say me nye bibia emfa kwan mu ne all those I don't care. But what we need to understand is say ye ko na ekọ na ekopem a dan na yen yidin wo mu no ye be dan ye bete. Dan a ye bete.
Wodi wo mu bete ba lawyer bete no ase wodi na wi o.
Oh, me nim say nyam ye ne de obi kura be den obi kura be twitwa age me without me presence if you say abia na onim nipa ban am ya na say onim ekwan am fa so a me ye madwuma nti no that aspect ne de me dwen ho sa na emu no what we need to understand yen client na say yen ye pen krata na yen ye pe we should have that mindset in say lawyer bia ni ho a o manufacture visa lawyer bia ni ho no a obeka cho say fa sika say breme na metimi ama o nkrata bi lawyer bia ni ho no a obena kasa no o kan say emre bi o kan say obi de nika na me ndi say sika no enye den emre
E ma no.
me kan say me ngi say sika no so woni mu a lawyer bia no say okita more than 1500 e won nchen so oye lawyer papa obehu enti no we need to educate ourselves my nye ye hu so vulnerable and enti na alopedu a to say Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays there are so many other platforms lawyers baho ye be chire nsemu ye chire mo kwan me for so mo betima regularize mo ho because e dan a obi man so na ye dan aba no e bre bi bedu a obepe nkrata that is why we come here and we advise you na say ye ba na ye be advise mo na ye chire mo kwan a mo mfa so then na mo amakofa koti kwan so na mo pese mo de mo jejereje tina things is our issue moma me and can be brave then eko a e ba beto ye na so
Yo,
yedi
eko be ba beto mo na so me de enemy gina ha aka me wo ye lawyer na wo tie me etie ni ye na lawyer ba ke wo so tie me ye ene me matu atwene de tu otwene ebisi biomu a me ma bana me reporto me kire me ko me ma wo me yusu me lawyer pick de fa ni nyina nchen me ma wo ma me yusu me minim se lawyers bebre me lawyers bit kwati mi hia na o ma chemiska so sister o bo adwuma ye nyina ye benefit o adwuma asem ba obi ba o se sister bana se ne yakra ne ente ne agina so ne de aye ade ama no sa ne ye nyina ye no na ye deal la wuntimi nkoka se photocopy tinipa ne na adwene mu se lawyer ne abonus campaign na ye adwuma enti se me kona
ne smart move
me bo lawyer
smart move na oye no fa photocopy kwakoma abana na me me lawyer nti no for original ne bra nti wa link you into it meanwhile no you wouldn't have had any
ade na wo ye no enti se nipa ne kura ko na anye ya ontimi ma manim kura abonus campaign ne lawyer no abonus campaign ne lawyer no me why me lawyer no minim de obi atimi ye minim lawyer me ene woni me ye adwuma minim de me no kasa 1 2 what you say minim de obi atimi ye lawyer PK onu ni nipa me ne hyase One mommy book say mentoro essay about lawyer PK. I can write 8,000 words about lawyer PK. Meaning no. Minim lawyer PK. Pa. Minim diobeti mi aye. Enti lawyers. Enye lawyer back in cool. Lawyers. Me ebisi bioma trust me. Lawyer back. Ebisi bioma trust me. Me kan wo am obi ati no obi ameka say also for maame e na aye say debi. Lawyer obi twantro to obi so. Na nipa no confess ya jeli nipa no ya sentence nipa no me pacho share video no ne bra wo ye yi uni abra so na ye ni enkomo mekan enra ma lawyer Frank so kan ho asem bi say very bad say lawyer ebe use no yonkon lawyer din there is about unfortunately so many na the PK the Patrick mo frem who PK mo frem who Patrick full name lawyer PK nko an ode Patrick Poku Boateng and also the lawyer PK short udinya men konko changing for bidinye mudine bom tin ebon
abna yenko program
lawyer PK adanya wo eti me mpe lawyer for adam for wo to me mpe adam for because me nya asem a wo beda me frɛ wo kura no wonfi me yi last week ya me ho kyerɛ me a na me pɛ lawyer ama akobe obi eno de wo yade o eno anane nipa ne mi mojanti a wo yade pa ka wo me frɛ wan ka na wo be fi me frɛ wo Saturday kura na asɛm atomi na lawyer bro ka wada ti ma men kama asɛm wo de lawyer PK se mi ntwa so yo etiefo share video no na frɛ wo bi na ka kire wo nua bi say abnes campaign atenase oni lawyer swag what you say ni din ni ya papenti ene nkofo yusu ni din wudin nya obi mefa wudi fanye wudin na nya obi mefa wudi lawyer ade we no me see pictures upon pictures Monday one hear me program me ye program ko bi so frɛ wo so me ka back here no bi say sister Abna I have a confess lawyer PK you nim dia koso anka na ma na udin no wo de solid tape akekere no ne bo ho wo protect no why yo etiefo aha ana Abna me dimu besie eye sede na me de bia sereba me ni bredia na me ni abre because we enye joke enti me ni bra na me ni abre yenko enedwu medie no eso na ye ni enkomo wo ye yiyuni me pacho chebei me bra ne betena ha we United Kingdom ukura eye indefinite leave to remain ukura eye British passport o Ghana and na wo pesa wo be krom here through our year there is so many ways sir wo krom here na wo nin krata wo be fa so a wo be nyan krata ebi ye tatashe awo ye tatashe wo be nyum kura 9 months beba ebi ye tatashe awo nkrata de edemu som dia toso eye senka wo be ware yi yu aware ba ye na de pa wo pe enkrata eye so smooth enkrata no question mark eda ho a na eye yi yufo aware wo ye yi yu ni amepa twetwebreme wo ye yi yu ni na wo ware a na sa time no you don't satisfy 18,600 na wo ye Britain ni na wo ware a ewon sam de na ye boborobo awurade adom yesi yiyufo mo nkotena se mo nkomachi mo nkomu krom e no makomu krom e na se pressure abaye so e wo kromi hasen e bia wo tie me wo pese wo ye aware ana se wo ye aware akodamu dadadada lawyer PK de ne tena se a o kire nneomam e ma nneoma no wo tie ase enu nti ne from football omo kokoden omo akoko papa enti football obekire wase ama wate ase se wo de wa application eco home office eye aware e bia wo wage wo nkrata awie wakoye aware wage wo 2.5 years awie bia waje wo 5 years yi uni aware awie kai say wo be kwa kwaje wo indefinite leave to remain at any point in time emposa wo kwaje wo British book yetimi ka kire wo se aware na wo ware ye no enye genuine eye fake eye sham marriage eye convenience marriage at any point in time sempo woje wo British book nasa bia watu kwan oba enipa wo gina airport ho no immigration officer no a wo bebie door na ma wawuramu barrier na ma wawuramu no wotimi wo ho kwan se wo British passport na ekura wo no se bibi teterege wo ho kwan se obusa wo se eye dai na wunya wo British passport bia na waware na wo ware ye no aware no eye kuntunkuni me pato watema se bia enkrata na ekura wo no eye kuntunkuni aware be ma na wo ba ne kura wunim ne da wa hu ne da wa nhia ne da you may kiss your bride no wa hu bi da bia na be ma na wo ba no oje enkrata ne ma wo wie ya pabam okoni kurom ana wati hakura na wunim ba bia wo home office odi wa application akọ home office otimisha application nanim ena ni 3 days na me hu say papa bia wotoa meso 4 oye broni me hu so ye adwuma ofikesiem eyeden na me hu ye eyeden na mu so ye adwuma ofikesiem wa bie ni windows na me so ye adwuma from home ena ne ho no ote ne computer anim ote ne computer ni na nachi ehwe window no eho ena enkura na twi bicycle ewo ne ho enti mi twa window nani mi twa mu no ayi na mu se computer ne so mi hu ayi home office ayi logo boho na me se papa wo ya application ko home office na lawyer ena mi fra se mi di akoniaba ase me so me de me nan bobobo na me hwe no no ayi paper no afa passport say abawe okay enura me san ko twa mu ho saa afedi otie yi nanim hwe se passport to bebregu onam se papa mi nko boni prumu ana sa me nye dai me se enti sa papa da bi ote bicycle so a waye ne mpabo achi isa waye adwuma home office eni se mu na me ni sa salute sa magana for nkrata salute lawyer no see papa de menya nkama kwa akofo adamfo no makasa mesro mi kuromufo obi nkrata aba ye frɛ ne nipa so mati ko hwehwem se damu a na fama no ate yo me fa bi nkose de ne yensre sa na te enemba me nsre me musalo ya pike wa hye atade tumu ya betena ho ntie ne kura me mtanse no ayefe lawyer ena ho ayefe ankoye ena de nkoye
was person na me fe
me face ne fo jai me da se aha ye nkoso bia wode wo nuoma ne ko home office no wa ya aware de akọ wo twen se wo nkrata ne beba 1 day aba 2 day aba 3 day aba 4 day aba 5 days aba onkrata no emai wo ho ana home office fo atro ana wo ma email wo se ma me se wa koto ye hia wo interview ana se ye refuse wo ana se wo marriage certificate na wo de baaye no ana wo application na wo de baaye no ya go through application no ye hia se pese ni wo di nkomo obi wo ho aye nka nkire wo se pese ni wo di nkomo ye pese interview wo obo bebu some more evidence se fa photo bra eye den na wo hye wo kunu no date ben na wo ware ye sika ben na wo kunu no de ma wo ma mo Ghana mo ho utie me wo Ghana na wo ya aware a wo bi befo aba abrochira bra ne betie de ne lo ya PK ka eye den na wo hu se bema no hia no wei wo Ghana tie me wo kromi ha wo kwa akofa wo yire de naba e bi ye kuntunkuni ba ma menka sa wo yire ma mo Ghana ni titiriu ma mo Ghana no titiriu wo Ghana ukunu be fawo ma menka ne sa e de wa free Ghana ba my application ko for instance lawyer PK aya application ko ma me se wa akoto wo Ghana nana Jeman e wo kromi ha enti nana Jeman na ekofa ma me se wa de na free Ghana e de naba yenye kromi ha de e ye common enkomo we ye common ba wo Ghana no e wo se wo office fo who prove e kire se application na lawyer PK aye dia ba se eye marriage application no akoda ho ayema home office ni no case worker ne hye no e bia wo betimi afre wo se bra interview wo Ghana kra ye free interview omo ye ne by Zoom se wo ma afre wo interview a omo se hia more evidence se wo kromi ha se wo Ghana ba Ghana de evidence ne bi ne sen lawyer bebe mu ni nyina mu omo betimi aka kire wo se wo yiri ni nipa ne wo Ghana ampa edie ne kire se mo be kasa mo be di nkomo meboa wo be mane no meboa ene lawyer ne wo be di nkomo lawyer PK de ne tenase a thumbs up onu be di nkomo enti omutimi kwa to extend the say fa eye tap send sika wo de send no for statement ebra se wo yira mo messages mo proof e wo ehefa eye day na home office fo etimi dictate ewu sa aware na ye fake ewu sa aware no wa hyehye ho e na wo kofa nipa ne de naba aso yire obi wo ho a wutiri ye ya wo lawyer timi BT system no because lawyer ne de wonim onim se aware na aware no enye papa ono de waba e na na agema se me kofa ma me se wa free Ghana aba enti lawyer na ye na sede se oma wo hu nneoma home office hia requirement na lawyer ne ya application ne de kwa eye dey na lawyer na hu sa aware na wo ware ne ye fake na home office fo no omo wo special space ayedema wo ma na anase home office fo no India man ya wa bai kendo ne de BSC omo nso so ho ana enti edru ho ana na home office ahu se aware no eye fake se wutie me na waware ne ekuntunkunu amepacho betie na mo ho apa wa application ne da home office ne ekuntunkunu a mepacho bo wura mu wutie me e bia wo de rade e wadomonya won krata na wie o be kwa akwaje wo indefinite wo be kwa akwaje British book mepacho bra e ya aware na aware ye de abra ma mo Ghana no hye no wankoma obi kuntunkunu sika ama ankoya asembra ne betie lawyer wo any updates e de mame
Yeah, update be up, but update no idea me train say ebeba out papa, but basically court a rule say home office is unlawful say omobechi or omobeji or mobile phone. Court a ruling and it was in relation to Albanian citizens be a omoba kruman say omofabuta omo ye home office omo tactics be on ma omo che wa no ma do mobile phone na omo je sim no ma je numbers bia saa de no every time bia no me hu ni say enwo say home office yes a nanso no me nyan me obi an challenge that aspect in that but update happen say court a rule say it is unlawful say home office ebe den ebe gisa enkofo no mo ya Albanian citizens now omo de boot ebi room omo apparently say omo je ebi mobile phones best 2 years square ni omo fama omo ye etino hopefully this update will go further to state say home office say yes stop you airport and
you mean immigration and as home of immigration and police
immigration yes
police for
immigration immigration
immigration for nko
yes it's hopefully when I read more about it I bet say home office ebe apprehende wa na say UKBA ebe apprehende wa your mobile phone should be your property. What they can tell you is to switch it off, but they cannot force you to put the mobile pin in, give the mobile phone to them, and for them to do forensic evidence from that mobile phone. You know, update obviously no. You don't must who say they are cutting across the borders now. Then obviously the Bible teacher so that BBC na home office and I say airport na you catch yourself from phone bra. You know say farmer if you say emrano ekere say enwo say we do phone mom but e do honom na sa na tie a ye be make sure say the be to you so far na there kwakugu do say home office is being unlawful say omo je nkofo bi mobile phone eto honom ama ebinum comment ma amfre omo yerenom ne omu kunum ne omo papa nom ne omo amenom ti no. This is the update or little bit of it.
Yo, little bit of it. Lawyer yenko eye day na home office for. A detective say our way a fake. Our way a original. And now what won't so lawyer no say and your money ba anymore. How did you dictate say our way a papa and now our way original and our more lawyers ne de ba and your juma say what say muhu say we ye papa we and ye papa. Eye den na home office for timi peke e ma ye hu e na me pa cho kire ya ware a enye papa ene de ye papa
me da se etini se ne abena edikan a kire ene topic ne ye be di hu nkomo no ye be di nkomo ahwe se kwan ben so e na efekesi mfo omuhu se aware bi a obi de aba obeye application based on that no sa aware no enya aware papa Bofocasem sham marriage and as a marriage of convenience. A kwan ben so adenti na home office ebe accuse you say o marriage na our conducting a marriage of convenience. E deba de na e kire sa. Your adekunti a most of times no doing say marriage or a marriage is a marriage of convenience no. And say marriage bi ase ni enim na sa aware bi ase ni enim no. Ya ware with love. Ya ware say uni obi betna say awarefo say ne yenya inimu no ne be you love the person, you stay with the person, you have certain things in common, mudidi bomu, mo even financial commitments bomu, mo ma all those good things that yenina yinim say that institution na a friend marriage no. Sanya no it should show in there no. Immediately the home office and I said you share o application you know or best suspect say sa na ma yi bia mabobo so yi bi no enko ekwan mu and I say mfa kwan mu ni pe no then there will be a suspicion of marriage of convenience and I say sham marriage. That is what is in their mind. Say omo feel say in some makeke nyina no kakra bi emfa ho pa then they begin to suspect that. Now, what we need to understand is answer Rebecca say our papa. I will use that word, our papa ne, our bonne. That is what I will say for now.
Our papa ne, our bonne.
I will say bonne, young fan is for now, but obviously no. Yeah, mean can the tree casem.
Ah, yeah, lawyer can say papa ne bonne na eno ano no tree na no.
Papa ne bonne, okay. There is another crucial word that a wohonum e was our reanim ye debating dear who say a papa na a bonina a potocasem can say subsisting and I say genuine. When it comes to the subsisting aspect of it now, what that means is say our reano our watch and as a relationship now yen friend our reano our watch bia sumesini asumesi atna for more than 2 years and I said 3 years. Therefore, no, on the face of it now, say ubi endo bia ontiminintina for that 2 years and I said that 3 years now. Therefore, it's assumed say if the marriage and I said that relationship no a subsisting now, na say our dia, then home office a bit to me and can say a marriage of convenience. And I said, and near maybe a say, yeah, our reform, a wohono more, send him kan and bia woni ne ewo financial commitment woni ne wo emma woni ne wo niam bi e chese aware ne ye genuine then the marriage of convenience aspect, it becomes a bit difficult for Home Office to come to that conclusion. But the only time our Home Office can come to the conclusion, say this marriage, a marriage of convenience, at times, they come out to say marriage, ain't yet genuine, marriage, ain't yet subsistent. That is the explanation to it. A quite ben so and a Home Office bit maka say marriage in your subsistence say and chair and I say and yet genuine. Some of the things are omodi ehunu say yaka say obi aware a hyenso de e wo ho a yaka say obi aware e marriage certificate. Inti first of all no say wo be your application and send ye di kan application we enye first time application enye second time application. Any point in time biya no in komo aye di we no whether say entry clearance now di bam whether say wo krom ha and wo make application in komo aye di we nyina aho up until time I even who do indefinitely to remain even crowd ko je passport kra no sa nkomo aye di we no ebetimi afa wo nti no mu yentie yiye nti no evidence a o check say wa ware asumasi no would have to be marriage certificate. Some marriage certificate, so the marriage certificate evidence ne ekoto efficacy mu ni ohwe wo nkrata mu na that marriage certificate has to be authentic and as a marriage certificate has to be genuine. So marriage certificate enye genuine, marriage certificate enye authentic at that point then no be come back to the fact to say the marriage can be marriage of convenience and I say marriage of sham marriage. And marriage certificate it needs to be authentic, meaning say men could dina kwan chen na enkoje marriage certificate bia emfa ema meto so say a marriage certificate obi ho no mo a obeware otimi ka say oh me mpese me kofie inti mama me brother bia na mama obi a ose me akotena ho akoye say me
wo na wo be ware
o na be ware don't do that. If you say aware ne say aware papa kra na some marriage certificate document na ode abano some document na ode abano when timi and share the authenticity of that document na a marriage certificate na then the Home Office will be thinking say a marriage of convenience. For example, obi ohono a or the marriage certificate ebeba at the point now at the moment marriage certificate now or they abeto honum no ye be say ampa say wo na wo marriage certificate ni so ana say nye wo e kwan ben so na Home Office e be hu sa ade no wo signature wo marriage certificate ni so as obema ana say oba no the Home Office needs to check until immediately obe check say document na the abano where you if any say wo signature no enye the same as nye wo passport ni ma then na adwin ye ni say aware we no enya aware papa aware we no enye serious marriage aware we no kwoti kwan bi wo sa aware we no. This is just an example, but basically what I am trying to say is say marriage of convenience times evidence na ye de ka ho e de koma efficacy mfo no eno nso timi ma o ma adwen ye o mo say sa aware we no eye possible say enye aware papa.
Lawyer me pacho ansa na be kono lawyer gina so o kan signature no say lawyer me fa ne say nana ajeman e wo UK ha oko wo UK ha on okay one ma me se wa nyina wo UK ha o kan signature se me yenye marriage certificate no timi ye free Ghana e de ba e wa abra busua no na be ye wo mumu enu mu ni ho kra na mutimi yetimi ware ne de certificate na bremo eye dan na on se certificate ne ba bu ho a wo se mumienu be ma ne sign won so sign te se de wo kan no enti se obi ne besen ama wa eye dan na me te ha no anana na ageman ne ma me se wa nyina wa ha no so obi ne be sign wo ye dabre wo de ama yen What you say? It is about me say
wo no there's a column here signature or template for husband, signature or template for wife. If registrar no ampene say moon sign here, you leave it blank and you come and sign here. Registrar be also a moon couple no moon sign here or no and sign it. Therefore, ne papa mu a e wo so mu post this document in bremo. Na mo sign it, na mo they call back to the registrar no for the registrar to authenticate the marriage certificate.
Eti before a marriage certificate no be ye ready no. E was so mu post to the bre ye nya ye wa ha no ye ware no.
Le papa mu a, that is how it's supposed to be. Le papa mu a, that is how it's supposed to be. They say your whole signature. If your signature no any so that document no is deemed not genuine. And if that document is deemed not genuine, then what are you saying? Wawari no enye genuine. If you say enye the marriage wasn't contracted with your permission because, and I said with your consent, with a wrong signature. If you say who sign it, say ayampa, who na warren, then the signature will come. Then you signature. Maybe you be signature and as a signature be or mature din. Meanwhile, the actual was a signature or thumbprint of the husband or the wife. And you know, the marriage certificate, the documents that we will present to them. You know, for example, ubi ohokrana waware guy. Now, so in the marriage certificate, you know, I will say o declare say waware guy. Now, so no on fan shit say waware guy. If you say an adrian, say yeah. At the moment, waware ejai no, there was set condition of marriage, you know, there was set a year divorcee. One fine shawa, the document that you are presenting to the home office now, it is defective document. And I say a document is suspicious. In Tino, the home office will now be thinking, say, oh, ABR our railway a marriage of convenience. And I say a marriage of convenience. It being so, at the Kunti home office, ebetimi enya suspicion say our railway a marriage of convenience and I say a sham marriage, you know. Say normally no, if there is big difference in cultural background, say for example, say me makwako ware yemfa no Polish ni and I'm a Hungarian. And in normal circumstance, there shouldn't be a problem. If you say, oh, ye nipa, means so me ye nipa. Now, so no, sa Albanian nina and as sa Polish nino, say until kasa, o culture background, and you may be your won yet, and you may be your on so a ya. At that point now, no, the home office now begins to think, say, there is a possibility, say, this marriage will be a marriage of convenience. And I make the only reason about marriage of convenience, say, oh, yes, I'm married you because of paper. That is the only reason. And your dog. If you so, the age gap, no, a very wider at times, no, the home office, no, I think it's a marriage, no, a marriage of convenience, and I say a sham marriage. Send a make a some way, you know, it shouldn't be a problem. It shouldn't be a problem when you are making an application. But me one who say the suspicion will arise when some of these things, you know, then show up. Documents now are provided, whether the documents are genuine or not, no. And my home office and so admin pastor say, oh, there is a possibility there, our railway, you know, and yet our papa, our bonnet. If you say, and can document, our papa, can you make the effort to bring genuine document, not to bring fake document, because at the end of the day, who the fake document by our rent crano, EB crana, 9 hours, so you don't even care. And the document that we will send with the application, you know, and also one of the issues are you need to be aware of. Say a big me and my home office, I suspect say marriage, you know, and I say our rena, and yet our papa. If you also information, I would be good application, so any information a home office about you can also trigger the suspicion say our railway no enye our papa. Example, ebini say ebia na ufi Ghana eba maybe 2004 na waware ewo Ghana ena uba akrom waware ewo Ghana ena uba akrom hanum say information a wode ama efikesie mu in 2020 no, the information that you give you gave the home office no suggested say na unware if you say one for any divorce certificate bia to so and say wagya in your Ghana no ena wabehia obi foforo wa hanim say ena waye den waware no, that is in 2020 ena waye sa aware no 2020 send them kan kan sa de we no enye even at the time of the application from the very beginning. It cannot be at any point in time. Even who will indefinitely live to remain. The home office can say you gave a wrong information, and the information they have about you, doesn't tally what you are bringing to them now. Therefore, information that they have about you need to be consistent. So what we're repaying now, you have to see there is a divorce certificate. After the divorce certificate, what worry. Then the consistency in what you are trying to let the home office know is there. Says our consistency in the na be a one for divorce certificate so then once the marriage certificate when you are going to make your indefinite leave to remain, and I say even your British passport, the home office has every right to come back to you and say back in 2004 now we back Roma as a visitor now which 2020 ubeshia obi ewo krum hanim say oware no wodi marriage certificate ni baaye no one for divorce certificate bi anka ho even on the marriage certificate na yen wo yen information so the condition at the time of marriage you didn't put say you were divorcee. Therefore aware na wo say ware yen ti a wo de befa so abenya wo indefinite leave to remain and as wo babenya British passport was fraudulent. Therefore, our rena, now, we are suspecting, say, our rena a marriage of convenience, and as a sham marriage, you only did that marriage for the purposes of say, oh, yeah, then, for the air pet and crata. Sadiana etua, home office is suspected, say, our rena, a yawar papa. And never be a home office. To me, from the time wire application, even from the time application, is still in process, and never there in the home office say onya suspicion say our running our paper. I never did obit my. First of all, obit me afro for interview. It's in the moment who said, "I'm saying a for interview." Now in command, minimum D abepim samre, it's at the back of the on the or application, and we're doing pempensi be said, or per se or clear said, our railway, our papa. Therefore, no afraid for interview. Offering for interview, I interview now offer. First of all, I won't cancel offer for interview because or the idea be about the so or the cassette at the moment, we no a marriage of convenience. I was say or clear. Or bet me afro for interview. Now afro for interview means what? Send me di kan our rare ye nim say our rare no. It comes with certain things ye nyina ye nim odo wo ho. Minim baby a me kunu wo, minim baby a me yere wo. Minim aduane a me yere epepa. Se me ne tin so ye dan a ye timu no. E wo se ye hu say ye dan ye timu no a 3-bedroom. And what say because it comes with it. And what will be up where they excel. Maybe I say a juma me yere a year, a juma miknu a year, time or a juma, time or back or back, waware pain, ne papa din, ne mami din, it can go on and go on and go on and go on. These are some of the questions that if they are suspecting say a marriage of convenience. These are some of the questions that you may be out. If you say they want to interview you because they are suspecting say therefore they need to interview you. I give you my home office if they suspect say marriage papa, they can accuse you of marriage of convenience. They can accuse you after they've come to that conclusion, from what I have said initially, they can accuse you of marriage of convenience. And I say, our papa. Therefore, if they come to the conclusion, say, our rena would they abetuo manimuno, and our papa, our bonnet, what they can do is say, they can refuse your application, or if they even grant you the application, now back room and say, they can even refuse your entry. At the back of our mind, say, yeah, only visa, and yeah, only say, yeah, the kofa apa. It's at every point in time. Even us at say we be you kwako British passport. It's either say home office be refuse you visa no. Na say even the man will na se wako na afe na uba they can refuse you entry. This is some of the things that home office ebetimi ebi mo nso no home office ebetimi take criminal proceedings against you. Say why indulge in marriage of convenience, and I say waware no enye papa. If you say, for example, I will use the same example. ABA over 2000 and if anything 4 no. Which say no waware. Ubedu Chromans in 2020 no. Waware names no one for divorce certificate anya then and so. What that means is say what committee bigamy, which is a criminal offense in this country. So the Home Office can say they are starting criminal proceedings against you. There are so many reasons. Maybe where you see fake document and they say almost suspect to say a marriage of convenience. Papa, they can start criminal proceedings against you. A debut a Home Office ebetimi ayeni say ubetimi remove you from Chroma and say through normal removal direction. And as ubetimi the what to no you are not made deported normal panel for more than 10 years. Ewo Chroma and say. Say you can say marriage of convenience, and I say Home Office eka say our real way no enye our papa enye easy conclusion for them to come to. There are so many things. Mabubo so intinebia fe na utia. Go back and listen to what I've said. There are so many things that Home Office would have to take into consideration, and that they will come to that conclusion. He said, "This is marriage of convenience. Our railway a sham marriage." When you come to that conclusion, and I say when you are in that situation now, that is when photo solicitors will come in. If you say yenim adiokuntia Home Office ebetimi esisa ejina no say sa our railway no enya our papa. If the Home of yenim adiokuntia Home Office ebesi jina say enya our papa, dia end ye wo ho kwan so that you will not fall into that particular category. And I say your application, will not be deemed as a application. It is just for the purposes of Ubinya visa to Kruman say. In America, sir, at the Kuti America, sir, and said, what your solicitors ye say, sir, allegation of marriage of convenience. And I say sham marriage, and I say waware na nya aware papa no. And yet easy allegation. And na ye nimu nso say sa allegation, when in law no, ye free bibi say burden of proof. Say obi esiwa ye bibi a ye de mi hu say me kana ye de asudi ne mba say hire adekunti a wo se asumesi we waye bibi say. That is the burden of proof. when it comes to allegation of marriage of convenience, and I say, "Eya aware enye papa." Photo solicitors, you say, "Enyem wo client, you know, enye wo client, you know, and na wo burden to prove say, ampa me ma warrior no eya aware papa." There be photo solicitors, you say, "Emrani say, eya home office, and I also mu prove say, wo warrior no eya marriage of convenience." It is a home office and men prove say your marriage is a marriage of convenience. Yeah, then photo solicitors, we are able to assist you in curbing some of these allegations that I'm going to talk in so by helping you understand all the things that medical can need this particular program. And you know, say Uber make application based on your marriage. See, near medical akano. Say, feel say you need any assistance via for you. And I say for your marriage not to be considered a marriage of convenience, then don't hesitate. Your telephone numbers now, I will honor fraying. Now you make sure say first of all, no, you the nyama beto akwenmu amount so that when your application is presented to them, that suspicion of marriage of convenience, and I say our rare our papa no, it will not even come up. And then even if it comes up also photo solicitors, because you name near home office, a bit in iron no, you bet wow, I'm what can happen so that a more or and I said preparation you or you bet me a prepare so that when the time comes now yet be out, my man say I'm calling for interview. I imagine some person who refuse you. I imagine some person who deport you. All the appeal processes, photo solicitors, we've got it under our belt that a bit me AUC at the at the abwao. It's marriage of convenience, and I say our arena home office bit me say enya our papa no. At the kuntia bit me say enya our papa no. And no ena ayeden ye gi hu enkomo no. Nia bit me ayen so when can say our arena our papa so and so ena ye gi hu enkomo. Abna me da say. Okay, send ye aircon let me say abna enya technical hitch kakra. It's I hope say obeti me join here soon. But just to recap and then come on ye dino. Aware ye ware ye pese ye de ye kunum and ase ye yerenum eba krum anum say no. I was say yetimi ye aware ni eyi to the certain extent say home office adwen emba so say aware na ye ware no yen ware for say ye pese ye ne ye kunum etna na emum no ye pese ye de enkrata ema ye kunum ana ye yere ma omo ye den
okay yo lawyer na me pese me busa say me pacha fe dey okay good me damase na me pese me busa say me fa ne say na ageman ene ma me say wa ya ma me say wa Ghana na ageman wa ha se na agema hia maame se wa onye ni kunu nye ne yere nye ne mpana no ne dada e bia social media ya kuntunkuni format social media ya na wahu no how long ena was maame se wa ne na agema omo relationship ni take for and son na agema timi ya application atum akofa maame se wa de na ba.
Yo, good question na webusa no. When it comes to say sending me kind one of the evidence and I say near my betimi ama efficacy ni na adwene aba say a marriage of convenience a subsistence of the marriage no. How long and a relationship na akoso. And a betimi agina ama neo your application na adwene aba say oh sa ware we nya ware. There isn't any specific time. Home office make us say we enyemra but home office eka say ansan omo be gia tum say aware yi eye subsisting and as aware eye genuine no eye say woni obi atena for 2 years say ni bi kan enyemra what it is nene say your specific circumstance ebetimi a kire say aware we no edi 7 months edi 1 year nanso no a subsistent than aware bi edi 3 years. Let me give an example. Some aware abnas campaign na many abnas campaign atena 3 years na abnas campaign menini yaka say yankofa picture mra many abnas campaign call restaurant menini nko cinema menini nko holidays yanko bebia messages cry we don't even message each other on mami sika emfa nhwe me ho menini ni bebia na another abnas campaign sister maware another abnas campaign sister within 7 months menini ko your friend is saying restaurant menini ko bebia
no approve
messages they will prove bebria at that point no the 7 month abnas campaign no the marriage is subsistent than the first abnas campaign and the 3 years. That is why I cannot give the number of years and the number of duration your Becca say oh arena your application.
So lawyer actually yase ama yati yase lawyer me question ba ko say o kasa wo kan age ba wa lawyer PK ya me ne watena program yi so ama obi bebusa say we hia wo bi opeso ware no say tie for mo be kaya e ma krache ne ka say Ghana ni mo free Ghana ba minimum ntemu amope because abnes kimpese mo nkopen krata enti obi bedru ne ya no wo penkrata obi bedru ne ya no o penkrata enti wo yese sabi si draws ya edi enti na wudwane si na je nkrata no na wusi wi na abo se nkrata na edema wa lawyer waka age asem wusi age no enso so mo madwene koso se aware no enye aware papa ba wankasa watena ha makrachi bi efre program isu mo busa se no 28 or say na enipa no wo almost 60 something or 70 64
yeah
na se we kura de me kura no me ma me ba nware sa enti home office ni no mark wrong ba lawyer wo ka say our age no e matter enti e na say I was refer say
o be say okay
enti o be say o kire say o bobo nneoma ebe o bobo nneoma a chin case worker na dwene ba so say
ebe twi o ma adwen
yes ebe twi na adwen ba so say aware ne nye papa for instance say bi awo 20 now koware obi o 70 eno no say ages number enti e den na wo si home office for adwene betimi aba so na wa lawyer yin so no obi frɛ yo so 28 as a 29 or ware obi 64 o ka say age ne de nye problem say ya aware papa woni nipa ne tie de a on go ahead na o san ka say age ne betwe o madwene aba so am ya confused.
Good question we bisaro me say a suspicion okay they be ye de every time be sankofo ya okay some particular guy how can I say me he went ahead worry polishing in
Aye.
fact this guy okogana oba omo chin ema ne kofa ne yire ne ma ne ode ne yire ne bae and
Anti
that
omo
was
na wale ne ya ware
exactly
papa.
me de minim but muche no say kofa ne yire mra. Okay, I'm just using this as an example. Okay, say me be kan wo fidie su say ye fifie ba ye mo koko bi ni mo ne sana no ma ne me ye fan say ye ho enfamba. Sa abrante ebi aso hwe program ya obviously onu pe nenim enti no me divulge bibia but basically the point that I'm trying to say is that it is a wo this guy the age gap no was about 30 something or 40. Yeah, the nkra man. If you say yeah bibia na was
Mo
say
ye
yeah
proof.
make sure say the home office any suspicion say yeah our bonnet. But unfortunately for him, no, Okofia Orban, after 2 years, and the home office. This has been a typical example about say
Anti na
at
chese
every
nye
point in
instant na
time,
na
yeah,
dia mana enjoy
yes,
krata no.
why and also Okofie ayede aba.
2 years.
Orban na enyama ehye nenayim. Ena omo busa ne say ni ukra ye hwana ena ditram ye chi no. They went for interview. Omuchi no frame no. And I'm a catch on say Oba Krumu say Oti Krumu adeda. They can keep his passport or beba or nene chain. Na ma from for whatever interview that you want to call them for. Whatever happened in between it there. I know the consultation room as main come as now so no this guy went for the interview. On nene yere tisi so into the age, true, a suspicion. Okay, a suspicion. Nothing of the can say, and near be brave, more my dream basso. Even Okasa, I'm funny say, Onyakonia, Polish, and as Albanian. Now, won't
Onte brofo kra. Onte brofo.
now, won't table.
Mo be
How
da
can you
kasa.
communicate? Thank you. It's in a no. It brings about a suspicion. There are so many things
Wow.
can Emma efficacy for no for example, this age difference, a suspicion. Now, French president in the year, what's the age gap? One of the because any immigration in the UK.
Aso mo do mo. Omo from kro ba ko. Omo nyina ye kro manifo. Enti anu de ye okay.
And the UK.
E ye okay. E ye okay na lawyer obi a owo Ghana a o ma bro trader na ajeman eso okoware ni free Ghana ba maame sewa versus na ajeman ebeye den maame sewa na owo Ghana no ehu say marriage certificate because bebre no say lawyer awurade adom through your program enkofo bebre e application mo ho enti e bi ono ana na application wo fie so mo de marriage certificate ne bre wo lawyer pika wo je marriage certificate na you will know meaning bre bia me man ne de adwuma bre wo omo marriage certificate o return no 3 times omo koyeba wo se enye papa omo koyeba wo se no wo mpe omo koyeba afa de no afreme no o se ade na lawyer no tesa ena me so wo pewuye mi ukofa lo marriage certificate ba minim ho hwe say ye fake say ye genuine minim enti wono na wahu waso ansuo asoa ensa ene wahu sensa ene nsuo de ahini mudu o de ode ba wo behu obi a wote Ghana ebe de ono wahu say marriage enye Ghana mpo obi kura wote ha ebe de wahu say marriage certificate no eye fake na me mie full lines ntum
Say first of all, no, if you go through the correct channel to obtain the marriage certificate now, you will not get fake. So, you need to Ghana. So, what call o marriage registry, and I call KM, and I call AM, and I call wherever it is. Now, also, why would they give you fake documents? They will definitely give you a genuine document. Mokoye marriage or ordinance marriage, court and sign amount. Na enyese wote ha na wo dada obi say wako Ghana. Why would they give you fake document? They will not give you fake document. 9 out of 10, the people who will get fake document now they say they will not be able to know. No, they themselves go through the wrong channel to obtain the documents that they are getting. Ebio nso se wofa kwati kwan so na ukogye sa na ma ne ba men share them enye application. If you say you don't even know send abana e ka no e bia wo de beba mimi nim ne e wo se ekọ marriage certificate ne so ntine metimi a kyerɛw but e bia wo nim wa hye wo dem e na waye therefore wo de koma wo mo ano na that suspicion say Sawarewe a bit my marriage of convenience now they are showing to then they begin to ask more questions, they begin to ask more evidence, they begin to seek for more interviews and all those, and then now failure ever be we are seeing need be refuse the application. It mentioned them on yet farmer near unim near all on the piece of paper. If be bonny be or as if be or any corrector or no unobetimi actual.
For me, one more questions. I also me busa lawyer, but nemre no ayebe. Mefa just 5 course pe na ye di dwumedie no aba na wie ye. Me de emre ni bebre addressing me issue. Enti no mefa lawyer, me bottle was na no me cancel no because ahaya no metimi afa bie. E na ye me no mienu so asem okra nka wo mpene. Eno de ba obe u complaini eno de ba nka beka na me time ka beka wo de me fa hu free ye obi a mefitime nko court no obi ani accept etie for that's my lawyer swag no lawyer bike dem ne tenase de jajajajajai hey lawyer 1 ono no lawyer 4 for madam 4 mutim de wo mo chan yo, etie for me pamocho me be phone lines not to me fa just only 5 calls so pet because na or where adwuma me agya no amana to na adwuma so me wa questions abe person busa lawyer numbers near 00447502422799 another number mama say wa you are in spirit and come ba be catch us say asa number ba ko na end 49 no menya issue or so you free so me who say eni so why are there you are in the spirit another number so 00447861705200 enti me you so just 2 numbers see and me dey aye dwumedie no me pa chow like program na wo so na no like na share video no na mon subscribe YouTube me YouTube channel no ya Abundance Campaign Outright TV mon subscribe YouTube no and so hello good morning me love pa hello good morning me pa cholo yeti I'm so abontain. Number ni 00447502422799. Numbers ni nyina e wo WhatsApp enti wo fra mefa na me ne wo akasa. Enkoma ayedie no lawyer akyerɛkyerɛ ye nneɛma mu bebree. E bia waye aware, ukunu no hunhu no, o ware ni wie wayera, ode ne ho akansuo, wate ase, unya nkɔgye wo indefinite, unya nkɔgye wo British passport. Ɛde e na e wo sɛ wo ye. Ana se ne kura na wo ware ye no problems me use ne sa e ho edien na wo se wo ye wa wonimu se o 5 years ne so a enya de nipa no obeje wo nkrata no ede ama wo obeje wo indefinite no ede ama wo enti no eduru ho na edien na wo se wo ye anase sesi an krade na wo se wo ye emfa ene quest enkoma ye die ho any question bia wo pese wo busa lawyer bia no wo betimi ebusa lawyer na yenko ye dwumadie ne so ententem na ye ni enkomo ewa ha lawyer obi e message awode aba o say how many times text message should I have to test before I can do the application? Hey, text message. Lawyer, and no so I can't be.
Ebia opese ochese communication. Ebia oba na ewo Ghana na obema na Ghana opese okofa ne ba. Nti no communication. Senya me kan no only anu busa this question. Senya me kan no. Me dey abna example. Enye numbers. The quality. If you say ni enyina na ware. There isn't any number of times I will say there isn't any number of times I will say test name the quality no I dare chese ayampa me yere ne asumesi no it will show from the evidence that you give. Into no only an obusa question no mint me ka say 10 message mint it me application ma yenya a whole your friend is a bundle of WhatsApp and so no ABR na marriage certificate now at the time on my application na signature was no na wrong ukita pile of WhatsApp messages now so because of say signature na marriage certificate so no enya papa ntino you be refuse no obi so
me patcho me ba mon check number you wait 200 and ma me for test me say they are keeping calling but ma mon check e ma me me patcho ko
entino me ntimi number of text message but it has to be genuine because that is what the home office is looking for untimi nkasa wo beje nkrata no untimi nkasa wo ware
me patcho gina so
because o pese o man nkrata
gina so Gina so. Hello, good morning, me patcho lawyer 8 you.
Good morning. What say?
Nyame da so shrayen.
Madra, we got to Bedford. We then the person and South and we say na msaka me me can say like this me and then that we seen the Abraham more last week. Now we do history. To people that say no see what they say no so about to erwa so about to no so only declare the car or data so until you declare this can be a Ghana studying 17 million 7,000 ana muta ka che say obi a wo so about to no say sika we entimi and how and matter so better hotel better and and then the Nemo, I'm monitoring. I'm being ready to only just 2 days. Now, we see in the passport and I'm Ghana card. So, only these 2 days. The 2 days are about 5 days. 2 days next Sunday, last Sunday. And the 2 days.
Me patcho so.
And to the past, because I don't know, white face in but some is I know. To the lawyer said, I'm working in the passport, no, or so I bet. I'm going to have the lawyer said, lawyer, this me. I find out I think the passport.
Me patcho say also oba as the tourist and as visit. As a tourist, okay. Lawyer, me patcho bremoy.
Say oba as tourist or the visitors visa and on the ebem na wapa na Mr. You can say me for head right now. Any the number of way over there. It's all about maintenance. Any the American. Oba now say wow ba show. Ubetua hotel tika. Oba to area baby oba no. Outside London. And so most of the tourist area opposite oba in London. They will look at all the expenses to find out say are you able to afford that now?
Hold on.
I'm not able to afford it. Then they will have a suspicion, say they think say your intentions are not to come and visit. They will need to come and stay. At this moment, no imagine a passport. No things they will say or after program no fret. They share the reason why in still and you should have them say. And in summer or can do the application and so. When I all make your application because it can make a big difference.
Me patcho say what say your money 2 days na so.
And 2 days later Sunday.
Na de no mama na anko na 2 days aso Sunday wo so uta afre wo lawyer number. Ene enka if I were you are memma na ko 2 days no na kwasaba.
The prayer we anti Mimi.
Lawyer say we are friend no.
Diamond send again we do it no. Omo lady document bi. Diamond send man na me send man. Me send man. Me send man but me send man no I think of them me feedback but man chinwa send the friend na
Lawyer Pique say friend no. Me pacho lawyer say friend na chese wunua no in your mind no na nkanya de a onko ohun no conference no go. Any mama passport no na ho. Why? Was it called your uncle lawyer yankra uncle. Had you ever had no said now one says friend lawyer say friend no na only money more enkomo. And someone omo chain no omo detain no wo kan ye me if I were you are enka 2 days nka me manako no wasan ba sa na wo sen kamo ye no yo and mami nya we na friend Osihu. Mate why mami nya wo na. Hello me dof me pa cho lawyer tie. Wonya be wuram de wonya be wuram.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, but me question that I say makofa me ye ba na at the point I look at Kofana about Namikwa EU settlement scheme process lead to the men. Now, me Kofana ba you know as we speak now no my status assistant a British citizen naturalized. And you know me say at what point you know yaman 2.5 years at what point now obey to me said you assistant and so obey that's what 5 years route no so and I say make me a application here best switching amanenya indefinite leave to remain here and I will be more than 1 year will maintain with you.
Until 1 year no person kwaje indefinite wa hu.
Me pacho and person me apply manager indefinite na.
Say the mama brochira aye nsuo lawyer or say 1 year ko person obusa so betimi age indefinite because British passport.
There be any possible. I will say would be 5 years now because I am be or yes spouse be our be and also would be 5 years. 5 years in the is subject to conditions beating me about class say beating me 5 years to 10 years. Until 5 years minimum. After that, you know when you indefinitely leave to remain. And you indefinitely leave to remain not why the British passport and managing a process you have to go through.
Okay, yeah, if I should be second question, and you'll be a mandatory there, was a year settlement scheme, Emanana, because me check government, you know, so Amadi Ashes said she is allowed to work, but no recourse to public funds. But I have no recourse to public funds, you know. After 5 years, none of being free to, and I say, bit may appeal to a moving free to sit here.
Bra, lawyer, you are new, we are making a match or why?
Lawyer, that would be one of the make I say for instance we will wait you work 5 years and so about 10-year-old. So if you go now person no recourse to public fund in fisua on 5 years into indefinite view about 10 years to indefinite leave to remain.
Bra me pacho enti na person munyi no recourse to public fund no free somehow.
Oh, then Obenya access to other amenities. No, we me benefit anyway.
So we hear Juma me boa, we hear Bema, we hear Juma.
Me benefit because that.
Oh, you know what, Sabio, excuse me to say, oh yeah, Abrewa now you're young.
Oh, you're very young.
More ma wo kromi ha.
Me but me wo baba me in yanwe.
Woni ni yanwe, oh na chese ne wo ya akra, oh you're very young, me boa.
Onya kolasa anyway, on late 40s.
Oh, in the late 40s into the men fast what to send me. o te se me o 50 o te se me enti no otimi ye adwuma okay good benefit no me ne wa anka meka kire wo se ehu hia ma ne nkonko ye adwuma o ye adwuma ono nso nye adwuma support nyame ya adom na owo na se wo na akora ni nti wontimi nye adwuma dia na wakosere benefit esi akora akwa ye mfama ye nyi mfiri ne so
no benefit kwa de bi nim tim na me even say from ko school no wanya
student finance no say afi ya wa ba abrochire ne kromo mfama no why eti mane enyire ne ho nyame ya adoma 5 years mane mpesika nu ho 5 years ne so a no amana ko school no akwaji student finance why
appreciate it thank you
right bye hello medof me pacho yenko yes darling sweetie yenko good morning medof papa sweetie yenko
no pacho me pacho me visa lawyer question kafa
me pacho busa lawyer
me pacho me pese mi hu say home office for free e ma in sefa or call visa application center ho na then can now issue your visa me pese mi hu say it take how long because 9 weeks me am dey call you me nya email bi aka say omon sa passport na say omon san kan and then Monday ye chem ya to me send the email e call up till now me nya
me pacho wo Ghana na wo kromi ha Ghana na wo de passport
me pacho me wo Ghana
e visa na wo koje
am pacho EU family visa
EU family visa okay lawyer me pacho bremwen
no sa ayina ababa wane ka I don't know maybe the visas now has become a problem now. But what we tend to do, our photo solicitors, and say immediately I beg you your email say your client and presenting a passport. You might hold 3 to 4 weeks. Then immediately we proceed say you be escalating it to your complaint, your judicial review and all those things. You know, the open said yes, I didn't know bit mama family member no work from one say no I contact here and I say what bit my contact here no I instruct here na ya chasing it up because idea e cause we bit be correct me ko demo lastly one and I say we be na yema wa mun check mo junk mail if you say omo issue visa no normally no or may you know a different ebia o mak kire o se bra na beje anso no ebia mu hu enti lastly no mun check mu junk mail
me pacho
appeal na your win we and so chain omoma ma for that so na yen process do
say enti mo win appeal and determination no mo dey ma home office o mo implement the court decision me gwa
ai
okay etino ena me chen mun chesi na mun check mu junk mail say we ni mu junk mail mo then we will go through the legal process now me check you know that will be from here so that we will expedite them to implement the decision of the court.
All right, me that's it. Etiefo meda mwaseme fa course bio me pamocho ma divert all the course ama lawyer and number at the screen so me pacho monfa lawyer adwumemu number eye Fort World Solicitors and for mo number ento so emfa me lawyer PK de me pacho friend no ntene tatahwi emfa ma wo pese okofa wo yiro pese okofa wo ma edru aware so de na omo be chewa we say sisi a wo se kato ani to se makata ate aha enti me pacho wo contact na omo ebeye ediamao lawyer me pacho me sro ma me just 2 minutes na me musa asem na yenko lawyer obi eso watwa ntra to obi so obi na kofa ne babu obi na de ne babu chire me pacho me fa course bia bio mon frère lawyer me pamocho madaworoma lawyer Miss for lawyer mo numbers and the screen so no office number and that so no ofra o pesa woni lawyer PK Ekasa 0203 325 3257030. Lawyer PK mo address ene woso no mepa mo cho. Eye unit 1 ground floor Katrina House 50A Caledonia Road, London. North London asem na me kon we nye backing. NBODJ. Enye backing eye North London asem ena making. Enti me pacho omo contact details ene eda ho no ekromi ha lawyer PK monkwa ne solicitors a omo afa high court full table edi ayo omo eye omo logo enti wo munie lawyer obi essay eye confession ofre me Sunday no na ofre me no me dem panyimfo bi eka ho because na na asem ne free ba no na me hia batesi MP because na aye soja nida ye nya no ntime fa ahemafo bi ne asofo bi ka enkomo ne ho ewraba na asem nyina ne se ne maame bia no ne ti wo Ghana a no hwe maame owie JSS no okotena obi nchen to okotena nipa ne nchen no na nipa ne be school na nipa ne kunu wo UK ha na nipa ne be ka ne kunu ho ama ne kunu na ko school na omo oba ketwa baako na maame ne se ne me ne watena wa hwe me ba no enti me do be ka me ho de ma wa ba UK aha mema me kunu de wa kan ye ho se ne ba no no de wa ba ha enti ne kunu no de akora no se wonya akora de ne kan ho by 2000 na ode ne kan ho ba ye enti ode ne kan ho ba ye no ena oso de sister ni ko school ni kunu ko school enti ono de akora ni ko school na chese sa time no girl ye be ma ni age 17 years because Ghana obi a we JSS na enti be 17 years to de akora ni
JSS be JSS be 14 15
oh and again you right okay 14 15 ena omo de ne ba ha senti no 14 15 years de e was nkrom ha wo school Ubeko college where we Jesus abeko college enti waso de akra ni ko school da bia ba e na dako o kofie na sister bi te wo mo opposite onye Ghana ni e na sister oye Congo e na sister no e fra akra ne se da bia mi hu se wo betwam e wo fie ha ukọ hen no se ya mede minu aketwa ko school e na Congo ni no ka kire ne se brefie ena ode ga ni ko ni fie so de ko ni ko ni fie no se na de na wo de wunu aketo akọ school na wo de wo nko school ena ono ga ne ka kire ne se maame bi ene ni kunu na de me ba ha se me mehwe o mo ba e ma no ena Congo ni no ne ono ga no e kasa Ghana ni akora wo 15 years lawyer na ni ate onimu ni eko onim nyansa enti ono ge ne se maame ne hwa na maame ne free social e ma ono ge no wa ma na nkofie ho back e na free social ma no e na o ka kire social fo ne se e wo sa akra ne ko school enti social fo ne nso ba ye no e na ono ge ne so o ka kire social fo ne se ai papa no ewia no e na ode ne ba ye otwa antro enti e ho na no social fo ne free kuti e ma kuti bai enti koti baaye no o ma ge na nkofie ho biem na o mo de ge ne ma foster carer e na o mo ye investigation again ne say otwa antro onim de ba ne so e na otwa antro e se papa no oni ono ge no enim na busuafo papa na anka nche na busuafo so de ne ba papa ni wia no ene na yiri ni wia no mo de ne bai ti me waye human trafficking enti o se police fo e ko Ghana e ko busa ono ge ne maame se omunnim papa na na ge ne maame mo nso so o se de o maame mo kan ye de onim but ekosi se omunyina na obi anim papa no chese papa na wia ge no papa ne nso so de ne ba no ge ne se teacher ni ana o kire wono na de ene de ono ge no eko introduce ma papa ne yire o Ghana se upo obi amana hwe o ma wo efie enti abusuafo ni nyina atena ase ena ono ge ne maame kura ne de ge ne koma maame no oba abrochire nso no papa ne na yire de to mo na chese they are aware but because of all pe baby agina enkrata asem nti no o ka say papa no ewia no de ne bai enti no eba sa no omokọ Ghana after Ghana no wono wante omon police for ne nka biom ba ye ma ne nkrata ye ma ne siki asylum ene ye ma ne nkrata akra no esiki asylum ene ye ma ne nkrata ye ma ne nkrata 2000 o se asem si 2002 enti ye jeli papa no ye sentence papa no wo jail enti ye ma ono akra ne nkrata 2008 ye ma ne nkrata 2015 onya ne British passport and okostati school ochirade wo school okostati school adwuma enti emu o se papa na yire ya ahunani and e become battle upon battle oyare se obi ochirade wo school no abeye krina enuoma nkoye one make us an ekra lawyer ye jai kra the point ni e bompaye because him said the battle is not easy say no wanu ne ho se watwa ntro wadi obi bone ame de nakotuma papa ni innocent say no opese mema bana mini nanim oda wona na yenkopa papa ne yire no echew watese ejeli papa ne 2008 no wa sentence awie ye naba timemi yenkopa ne chew se waye bone eye ntro no twaye na asantefo hema no na abufu a wo omumu no omo nyina ne se yen report ma police ne enche ge no because ge no etwa ntra me ya punish wo bi na yen jige ne nkrata mfriness na me say no ye Christopher ge no waye bone wanu ne ho lawyer de na wosre wanu ne ho so waye bone ge ne yiri bra ne yiri pain na wo makom omo nkrata nyina ye revoke afiri wo nsem se no onim se de ne be ko Ghana ye yi no se be ne denti enkopa chew enti gen ne no ne ho ne de me feel say enwo hia se be report ama police because gen ne crack as a lawyer so obodam o say last ye de ne ma mental home and ye de ne ye say and an toma and like enyoma nkoye ma gen no enti no wanu ne ho de ade ne so o say e report ye de koma police and na ohima say no eye police asem because we twantro and am say lawyer PK eba ye ne be kasa na enne no mama ge no wa hu se o se yenya ye ko papa ne ho a ye be ko ti ye be ma lawyer abamu bi ekwan ba ne be fa so ye report ma police ase ye be chine na chese ti yenya den lawyer.
Yeah, obviously say near Nana Hemane can right if you say what didn't throw up to be so with evidence and your sentence will be that person innocent. So or you're innocent, you know. You're taking liberty from him by putting him into prison, you know. That person now or they will be a tour same, you know. Unfortunately for her, no, I correct. Ain't no own yam for prison. Okay. Nanko ye penny dia
30 also 32
set time odi intro no na oya kora it the police need there was some of the police for the benefit of panel because oma the liberty e finish them for that period minimum how many years or okoda prison so 100% it need to be reported to the police and efa above girl no aside see a begging and character finish 70 all these things no niti lock here because of say no ya afofra no omo be take that into consideration na omo revoke bibia omo de amana enti saa ono nso no wafo akwatiko aso e na ode fa aso a onya ono nso character nti ombetimi aye normal je the issue about say wanu ne ho enti na yafa nche no is neither here nor there ni oye no obi anya ho consequence obi ebi kra na ono ane ba ne kra na or de ne ba promo anum say no within that period na ne ba na lose out because of that girl na allegation na accusation na or accusing you know 100% it needs to be reported to the police so that they will go back and retry there, and even if there is a compensation, we all cry. I was some of the papa now. The man deserves it. 100%. I was some report to my police.
Okay, good. Lawyer dear waka ne yebefa eno so because na ye lawyer. Me de na me de ba say efi asem enti no yenka ne fie ne enkopa papa ne chew in the first place. Enti de wo ye lawyer na wo waka no. I think say we will go about that. Na get ne susu an wo sumpa ya chew say osremi enfama police.
So now no I think say what it is and say there should be that distinction of humobo any mra because say ye humobo obviously ebi amame ne yen sorry papa ne yen ne hwe kra but the guilty conscience no na e de ne work to bia no wo mu ubi antu na draw e but the guilty conscience no any event no it will be better say na me can no asutwe bi o but I am doubtful say on between us because na oya akora at the time will make his accusation iti yen distinguish humobo ne ene emra no ne yen hwe the balancing aspect of it. If you say kai who say papa no so wakoda prison e bi kra na at the time when in school kra na okono kra no wenti manko
ne ba ne kra beto ye be ne ba ne kra fri ne nsemo ye be ne ba ne kra fri mo nsemo.
Thank you. Yes, the consequence on that papa partner very bigger than Corano. As you say, what be penny, yen distinguish it.
La me pacho wadawroma. Say papa non kayen ye be report to ma police no one. En ka me susu se nke ensan mo papa ne nso amane because
say mo ka chere papa na immediately papa go catch police.
Aha me pese me kire say ye nya be report to ma police one. Yenso yensan mo papa na mane because e be a report to ma police e be again onim papa ne date of birth. Me busa ne sa address a wo motie papa ne tie o say onim se papa no eyire ni free baby a wo enti no onim o address na ne papa ne yire telephone number e na okohia obi na enipa ne de ama no enti no police for no be do ma hu se papa we no refer to na papa no akoba amane ana
Okay,
and again ni momu details be link to papa no.
I think say there's the possibility say they'll be able to link it, but if you want to go that route in so I don't see an option. Mubitima ko catch papa because we say then papa ba ko catch the police. Mubitima ko catch papa.
Me person me kire say ye report to ama police na ya sign ama papa na ya aware say girl na dia ba say oye papa na ye innocent. Na omonso so wo anything e was omo take forward omonso so take forward yenya report ma police no na me so say mo papa ne so amane na omonso da wo mada
100% yeah. Oh yeah.
What I say e bia ya je wo ba kra na omonso be start ya preparation to go so omo be je wo ba
yeah in fact you can even go with the other way around monko kan kire papa no na mo ma papa na nya aware first consequence na go catch police. Okay. By any event, the police need to be involved.
Okay. Yeda lawyer ase. Etiefo yeda wo bibiara ase lawyer nyame onhira wo bebre ye bekasa. Wo ba brochira mempre wo ho se wo penkrata. Obi eye wo papa memfa bone e kina ye beka ho asem bebre why? Emfa bone ntue nipa ne ka Ghana ni di wo bone di agenkrata again no. Na ope baby because nipa no hia ne kansa mo kire no. Ye be ma nkrata, ye be ma benefit, ye be ma this, ye be ma this. Na wo ma men so a wo akora no enso te Ghana aden. Ghana ni ye ni nua bone a wonwene hu. De wo benya na nkasa oku a mobile phone no lawyer mobile phone na wo je afiri won nsem no wo de sekan wo waje a onfa ho. Ene lana hima busa ne se so nya British passport. Enti die biom na wo hwehwe. Ye nkopa na cho na nye den. Fa British passport no. Fa when ya British passport me busa ne say what me asidan wo Ghana o si there bi sika ne kura bi ni ho so like kwanya wo fa so a wunya de wo pe no say won gaining from it what damage will be fee afei mom and wonu obi ku a sister Yes, men transema before being cool. Obi kuwa we were repent enye na make us enfanchening. Lawyer say no. Also we wanu ni ho okotena urade anim no kasa urade. Facha me. Urade dia che no ba papa no e na akopin mu. Ti wotena se no wa mompaye. Na wo mo obi eku totwena waku free. Etiefo me da masechira nyame ya adoma lawyer nyame nhira ene de majo mre ne nko ane da lawyer pika atena se ya wanye se ya amame ko de nsa akofom na obo ne nsa ana one me kasa hu se lawyer pika yese ipe na chesa ha abana time oye ne watch say aha ne de me you yi ba ko ato secret me da se ko ne kodi dokono eyi honzi dokono no na ene wie wu kodi ohu ene wie lawyer pika kodi dokono lawyer hu kodi dokono ana fufuo Ghana for lawyer nyeti nkwa adwuma da uhu broni lawyer wo kwa adwuma okura flask coffee nko an negumu ma no aye sandwich esi nchen obenum coffee na akopem se numere 6 obepon Ghana for lawyer se kwa adwuma fufuo eba banku onfa ma okura nkomo ye light banku fufuo eba no asensu egu flask obehu so lawyer ni kura flask ye nsuo nko an negum tu bedru ode my next person. We me nyasem. Bye bye.
Okay.
Ye be din komo. Etiefo me pacho me kanfo e di ama wo se. E kire nyame ya adom a woni me ntena se wa kwantuo mu nsem. Eya na ensem ha, eya na ensem e ya tete. Ye nyina ye Ghanafo e na ye tukwan. Enti mesremo, wo di wo nua bone eya na wa hwe ne ye. Me ntwa ntron to obi so emfa enye hwe. Bra bi a wo fra me a wo ka kire me se obi a wo boa no. Etwa ntro to ne so ma ye de ne ko prison. Ye de ne ko to mu 8 years. So wa rape ba because no nim say obegina so de nya nkrata se wono wote Ghana one ne ba bra no afei ne yi no ya je ne nkrata afri ne nsem on be fight for new life so what you say eya na eye very bad no ma ye hwe ye husu ye enu nti na ya wada bia ye se bra ne be bompaye because unnimu de wo bi hwehwe de maw me for the past 3 weeks no ho enkofo a wo mo abɔ me ho pɔ abba menimo no eye won eya na obeto se ya wada me bompa ya obi se na sister abna dan e de ne ha no sister bra Bible se nye ne honam ne moja na enyo ye ni wie motumfo ne mpanyidi abayi kirekire na me e de bone na maye se mama obi nua enya nkrata na nipa ne timi frɛ me sister ade no ama me nua na ba so saa oba abrochire 1 year nie ade na ama ni nyankrata na me obeto me ne de edi eye bone enya bone enso so yesu ban nti ene ya hantan bi a wunyankrata wo fu se wonua na wo beto ni kurom ha na oye kohwini ene mo ye nursefo mo ye student enti mo ba abrochire na ano enuoma ayefo edi amamo within 1 year or penkrata within 2 years or per British passports enunti oye bibi ekwan bia so no any avenues obefa enti ni nua na ne wofa ne maame a wo beto na 10 years 20 years ontiminsi complete house no onim so ye koshini enti efa baabi me ya ne nkofo blemu say sister abna wo man nkofo nya nkrata eya na mete wo mase eye pain ena omo de kasa eye pain because enyoma yefo. But you people too, you don't appreciate it. Who appreciate the abundance campaign? Because enyoma ayefo, ama wobia. Ya wade bia ye bompa ye ewa ha. Me se ba akode na na hime ya ne me witness. Because me wo fra semwa na ya kwantuo mu nsema bata CMP na ma linking it to app na ye nyina ye de adwenkyere aba. Me nya bata CMP na me frɛ obi ne witness ema nipa ne ka ho bi no a witness asɛm wa ekoso ba ko sister ne sister abana wo nyame a wo so no kososo mo no me nya wo bone enti se wo susu bone fa me ho a manim no abɛhwe ase sa nipa koro na wo bɔ me ho pɔ no na asɛm wato no ni sister wo so a wo hwɛ me ni sister wo so a wo ene kura ye bɛkɔ asɛm ne so me ye obi a enka asɛm ne bɛtɔ manim na omo mienu ntɔkwa na aba nti omo ka de wo ma ya afa me ho entɔkwa na aba na baako ba akodi asem na bedan me sister won kan bi ma me na nipa na me frɛ no wo se eh sister abna wonya me so ate se nipa na wa ba wo ho no fon so o na omu nyina agina so na na hema agina so bi na me sere omu wie na me sintimi nyenden na me sintimi nyenden then I keep on I ignore it because minimu de awurade otumi ye minimu de otumi ye enti me pacho ya wada bia ye bom paye brane ni apaye mfra paye ye ba be di bronyo mentena se mo bi mfa wonye hana mo mpa wonsen yare bi da wo so amane bi da wo so nkrata asema ye basa akwantio sema ye basa wa wie school wonya adwuma nye hwe busua wo firi mu ne papa bi amfiri mu mai bra me to me nsa de afrew eye ya wada bia ye bom paye di apaye fra paye bra ne bebo bi enura na ye too much enura prophecies upon prophecies emergency hour enya prophetic platform by ye bom paye di apaye wie na ye di nyame asem num nyame asem wie a ewrade bie prophet Greg ani ade wo so kan be kan fa ho enura prophecies bebre na baaye afedi nkofo frɛ confirm nkofo frɛ eye too much testimonies upon testimony edru wo so ye started fasting enura 5 days from enura na aka no ye de ya kwam kire because October to manifest ya wade bia no pattern na ya start program no ye bom pa ye gina ye naso akopim 2 o'clock ekopim 2 o'clock because a emergency hour we need an urgent answer na me kan for tap send the amount say me patcho download the tap efa send the sika ema wo maame ne wo papa ne wo nuanom e wa abra wo mpia bontin na emom kai se wo bebo promo code yes campaign New York for mo say tap do New York enti wo New York na wo tie mi a use tap for send the sika ekọ baabi a wo pe bia wo Ghana e wa abra wo mpie abontin ekra eye Brago catering services na from ami Brago obra maduane ache why obra maduane ache man Brago tie me wada sorry eye Brago catering services network safro no United Kingdom had there and globally wo pe catering services a se wo bie na duane so e wo Broadwater farm na se wo start from eye Broadwater estate na wo ba uti se Brago aduane na ebie so no ne garnishing eye fantabruta Brago aduane ne packaging wo beda enti me patcho contact Brago catering services na no mu eni eye ensa woso na me de sheto ta wachi se pelito sheto eni eye ka sheto mu a wo se sheto hey when ye sheto aye twije no dabi because pelito sheto no enye shop bia na ubenya wahu abrofo a omoton Ghana fo sheto pakifo omoton Ghana fo sheto palito e wo sheto eni ye gree ye se ye Pakistan fo sheto o wo sheto bi eni ye red kokokokoko eno wo sheto tuntum a Ghana fo ye die na ne sheto no na ntwinam dedam sei wo je palito sheto a na wo didi bayira ya chi a wo didi dokona wo didi banku a wo hia nam enti me pacho eni gisem kese ne se wo frɛ na ba bia wo bia no wa package na palito wo sheto no so there were post office me nkwaji yo omoba omo make say me 1 week nie me nkwaji ye me nkwaji ye enti me pacho bo modia na e contact ye palito na onu omu eni eye ensa woso na me kanfo e di amount se o se ago wo se amen me pacho eye Diaspora Funeral Insurance ena efre wo no Diaspora Funeral Insurance se frɛ wo mo na wo ni wo mu eni eye ensa woso me pacho contact wo mo bia cover wo ho na ye insurance me kanfo e di amount eye car finance Crown Eagle Limited Sebra Nebejika the car of your choice ewo mo be patcho contact Crown Eagle neji car of your choice free eye Crown Eagle efwo eho me patcho eye free deposit free wuntua deposit wuntua hwe wuntua deposit boso me so na wutua ne nkakra wo betimi age taxi wo betimi age van wo betimi age car e de akosi Ghana wo betimi age trotro taxi Uber na de kɔ Ghana na wo de akoye de wo pɛ ɛyɛ best deal door to door shippers ɛna from me pacho bronya so ye ba be di bronya ye wo just 2 months pɛ enti me pacho contact best deal door to door shippers na wo mo mefa wo nneɛma nyinaa ɛnkɔ Ghana ɛmfa ɛma me pacho omo ne door to door shippers a womo ennioma onnioma kwa yemie so senior be fa no no sa na etie wo tie me na wo adwuma bi na wo pese skin pain outrage for yema ho dawuro emfa ma wo a me pacho contact me etie for wo eye London na wo pe ekuo papa adjoine eku a ye wo tema eku a ye wo odo ye ya ado ye boaboa ye ho me pacho men kwatena kuo bi mu asem to wa obi amfi wo se wo peku a me pacho se ye gi mema e ma ne doso e mema na ye gi wo mo enti wo pekuo a enkrata se no megyan sa de ne ye wo peku a wo ni nkrata wo ba obenya bi wo ni adwuma wo ba wo benya bi e de na wo pe e wo kuo mu a wo benya bi Skin Pain Fan Club, any letter, Edru Home Office, ya Home Office don't have anything to say by granting you what you want. Ya wo lawyers, wo mo ye patrons. Ya wo asofo, wo mo ye patrons. Ya wo ahemfo, ya wo ekukudem. Ya wo marriage counselors, eku a wo kromi ha. Ya wo mpanyimfo, ebo ye chidom, ye Skin Pain Fan Club. Odo ye fedodo. Enunti ye freyen ebusua baako we ye bema now as I asofo ye patrons ye asofo ye wo patrons omo ye asofo abrempon ne akatachie ena ye wo ahemfo ekukudem ebo ye chidom ene ahemafo ena ye wo lawyers ye wo accountants ekukudem ebo ye chidom enti Skin Pain Fan Club ye nye yizo wo ye bibia abene Skin Pain me na me wo bring me invitation wo ya de na bring me invitation I value the invitation before I come enti se wo ya de na wo ye me kuo a member dia I don't have any choice to come to show my presence e wo ho obetimi use my presence the advert e ma ni program awo ye enti me pa chaw obetimi a contact eye ma me se wa akoto na najiman ye chairman or so o contact ma me se wa akoto na najiman ana me personally ye pe mema e ma ne do so dodo eye enti me da mu nyina ma se e kine nyame ya adom a me ne mo ebetena se nyame onhyira mu nyina momo akwasi boenu a testimonies nis bi e ma me.
We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years.
Mumiene nyamiasio, minyamieda, mumiene onya ami asida. Aniano mumiene nyamiasio, nyamiano kwarifoda, mumiene onya ami asida. Minyami waya manabulu so adume. Ayanukra mumia enonya ami asida. Manina oi mijifunya miya mama sirine. Oyanukra na bawa wanibye. Manina minyamia mama sirine. Manina mijifunya miya mama sirine. Oyanukra na bawa urewunye. Manina minyamia mama sirine. Wa mama sirine. Minyamia mama sirine. Wa mama sirine. Minyamia mama sirine. Ayanukre enuanum manina. Mana anwene mansusu eni nyamia ye nyamiye na adoye ohoda pamchewo mi da nyankopon ase de nyamia ya mame so edu ya wada bia da mame abna ba ya no de asende me prophet Grace papa mase piesie nyame nhiraw ewe yemre mu nyame nhira wono me ba a osaya me maame abna nyame nhira mo wontum nkom mame ye nyame namuso aye no tambia mase de me mfrew na wo ye no mafre mama bna awo kamen pa bomo sema nyame beye ampa nyame aye me wadwuma mtimi kasa kese ntimi kasa enwom na ankoyie nanso so no ne mato Bide nyame ase babi ane atimi ne me bate ye tuye den yani nna ya na anwene ye nkwalfa ye o sabe obi ahwehwe cancel dan fie dodo ye de ani busum enum o ye de tu mu anyankopon adum enne ukoi ya freye am yakoje yesafo a busum imu ayam se mase eba wokan se busum imu eye busum ya enhirane ahoto anigye wom da nyame ase maame abna woni mase nyame ntum nkom mame de awurade eye eburu adwene ntiase so onu nyame de se obokwan ato ba bi ekwan nie de anuanom yi meka wo hye obiada nkuna se ya wadampa ebo no mo obi antum o mo obi ampupu ne tue o de nyame wade kese de ma obiada wo de enusu a wo se awurade na adai empa banya gidie gina pintin na ya wada biada amu ani ha ne bobi na nyamensa ewum nyame nsa wom manje se awo nyame etiase onwuhi wotiase usufre no a otie wo mpaibo no ye ma no bokwa so eto ba bi ekwa nie me di aseda me bre masa fo urade dia urade ayeso mani so na ye me fe na me gitum anuanom bibia nyam enya anika nya fe se nyame nsa no adwuma fe estate new house obi anamu da bibia ye mu no kye ho akogye safoa na die na fe sei me pam chewo obuo ni ani die mo bia wo hye urade a wo se maame ne se de aseda ma o aseda ye odi a menyankopon aseda ye odi o menyankopon aseda ye odi o magesi awa nyame me da wase papa sama nhie nyame en mo nyam nam de ma wo me da urade ase me bre me pese urade hu ne se ne waya ma me ne me ba mani so na ya me fe na me gitum me sho bia nkuna se nka achi obi ade beba e wo Jesus dini mu me si ha e de ase de ni kabre e masafo urade me da urade ase me da nase me da urade ase me da urade ase Emergency awo nyame me da wase nyankopon me hu ni amenka nuano manofom a momfa nkyeme me hu ka momfa nkyeme na yam de ayam tihiti ayam so ansede adwon ha me wono omhwe ni wono wagya asede mu because wom se me hu yam de dodo me hu ni amenye se me muni se me kotokoto fam ni ameye ne se me de maseda be ya nwum to amato amamansan nyina hu me ya me kurom ose kwame amango asini ba ene boss anyum ose ohwe de urade aya ohuni a wonka na ohuni a wonye ti urade de obeye ne se na sida ebeye nwum to obeto amamansan nyina ate yame enhira yi nyina na onye obi biara koma so ade ma no ama yira mfise nyambo ochine behie mu de wani da so nie no fabra ya wadam paiboyi fabra ni nyame wo ho wo twa wo se fabra no be ya mawo krasi asomdwe nka obi biara wo Yesu dini mu amen
pacho nyame ma nyame asomdwe nka obi bia ene enwumre me wa dansidie na madansidie ni si last week Thursday me ba second born Thursday na anopa no o sorry no o se ne yam ye ne ya na ne yam na ye ne ya no na ohun se o yam ya o ya o feel comfortable on to maintenance say no o da 8 years enti me ma ne ba sitting room onti obae no ono ampa nko obehwe TV na wahwe Mr. B ono ampa ontumi hwe na so what na akonwanum na se wo sorry na se wo da form ese na onye okay ti oye na o se me manedru na msi da bi me manedru enti ono so ye asthma patients or asthma na ebasa na onya kasa ne yempenam nse bia obenya asthma attack no ayesa no ewa babem na ene otumi hwensin toa so be 32 tito de bi o siase na me kan 1 2 edu 20 permisi okay toa so no atoa so 21 no kan ko na we na eba ne sa no ena sa Thursday no minim gidie kura menya ye me se me manedru o asthma pump ne bia ya mede ma no na mese me ma no nti ma no to odidadida hasa no o sori no o chinchim ne ho no o da form na anopa no Thursday na anopa no mi ankasa me sori no me ye worship pa deep ansana emergency hour time no beso enti mama bna bae na obehya ase ye bobo mpaye kakra afi prophet ba mo na oyese olidie na ya say for forgiveness yɛsrɛ bɔnefakyɛ nti olidi yɛ na yɛsrɛ bɔnefakyɛ no owi a ɔbɔ mpae gu so na ɔse o afei deɛ the airway is clear o sɛ dɛn ne borɔfo bi na ɛyɛ a wɔka no ɛndeɛ ɔno aba a obɛtumi aka no yie nti ɔkaa sɛ airway na ayɛ clear no nam sɛ ɛnɛ deɛ ne ɛbɛsi ɛnɛ deɛ na saa October nso yɛ me birthday nti meka kyerɛ Awurade sɛ October aba ɛkɔ how many years ni saa October we deɛ mehia dansedeɛ nyame ɛma me hu ne tumi nti yakɔ so abɔ mpaeɛ wakyɛ nyame asɛm walidi na adeɛ a mepɛ wɔ mpaebɔ no ne sɛ onse ebi wɔ ha na mo bɔ mokɔ aso na mo bɔ mpaeɛ sɛ o enyina yɛ mo mpaeɛ na kyɛ sɛ na adeɛ ma prophet deɛ ne yɛ different ne sɛ ɔka sɛ yɛ mo mpaeɛ na onse oyi topic ne ba sɛ bia financial breakthrough ho mpaeɛ na ɔsɛ yɛ mba no hu sɛ mpaeɛ no ɛno na wɔbɔ unim baabi a sɛnea wɔbɔ mpaeɛ no ɛnya frafra ɛna ɔka sɛ yɛ mo mpaeɛ nso ntia witchcraft activity nso a ɛno nso unim sɛ yɛkɔ abɛifoɔ so nti ɛyɛ a wonya direct ɛyi a wode bɔ mpaeɛ no nti ya abobɔ we nyinaa wie akoduru sɛ ye befa communion o si obi afa ne communion nti mehwe na me ankasa na me ni bread ofie me ma no bread de omo fa no kwa nti na me ni bread wo ho nti me ye na me se oba time de me ntumi ni omam nti me hwehwe ya na me nya biscuit na me se na me de me communion wine kan ni nyina na akora yi da akonwa mu no wo mu ni tofom no akotama ma maduro akofa friends milk of magnesia ba me mani bi anse me ma ena wo mu ni wa akonwa mu no wo tofom no wo sore no wo tena akonwa no wo sore ode ne sa anti communion time ni duye na se communion yi die me nko amenom me ma akwala yi bi na me nhwade hallelujah enti papa boss mpa ye wie ya ye fa communion na me yi biscuit ne ba akona de man na mse we no se de bi onye okenti ontumi ni na mse won de o nikitwa bi na obu kitwa bi she nanum na mde communion one kan within 5 seconds na obi o de da form na wontumi ntena ase no afi no atena ase street and I'm say what na ase was na biscuit na mi ma no awie no osan baby sam say me san ma na biscuit ni biem na yem na ekọ hallelujah and I'm say o yam ne kọ was ho ekọ me tinka bi na afi wa sha ase ni nua ketewa ni di agoro I'm say kai Prophet Greek nyankopon wode nsenkyere ne aba me fie ha na onye pani no aka se o ebia obeka se ebia ekọ kakra na se akwala so o yale a ne yam ye ne ya is true se ne yam ye ne ya se nye ne ya on complain se ne yam ye ne ya na sign na o ye ni nyina me ankasa na me ye ne maame nso nim se me be problem a wo woni to aka say oh my stomach is gone I'm fine to aka say na say we are fine was say me fine e ko osin ya na fe was be biscuit ni bi na say kai Prophet Greek nyankopon wa be sra me ne because ene dia say me gidie bia me de ba platform no so no sa Thursday no na no odi pa to oka se ekọ no ne ma me hu se ekọ no so se watena se yie afedi wo muni ne ho second one one ni nua odi na chi 6 years wɔne ne di agoro a ɔma hyɛ ase yɛtu mirika na mse akora hu atɔ no nti hɔ na akora no mefrɛ line ne so abra papa bie line ne to mefrɛ edi saa danse ne sɛ me ba ne yam yɛ ne ya but me ma ne communion no ade na ne yam ne kɔ na every saa time no feel last week no ebesi ene ya me di saa danse no na asma Spain me ma ne bi besi ne me ma ne bi mpacho tie asem na me ka ne yo as obi o wasma bi ani ho a obeka say from last week ene Wednesday last week Thursday besi ene Wednesday asma for kra de ene awon kra ba de na asem na nya ase from that time up to ene me man asma spray ni bi ono ampa woni ba bi e da ya akofa na ode aba na eja ya ye ho ayi me man bi so ho ne nyame ayo me man bi o me man bi platform na me ba so na de se me ba ya na me mfama dwen koso se ebia prophet bebo mi din anase me de ade a me hwa animu ne se ye besere bonifache na wie no yi saa topic na ba se bia we su ne ye gina bompa ade ya na ehia me paa no se minim se oyi ba ne ye bo ho mpae eye mimi gidie a me gidi se ade a me bo ho mpae nyame betumi aye me ba platform no so no encheye I think say me call 2 months encheye wo so me so amenti midin me so amemboda se meti midin me di ane se wodi wonyi topic ne mra na me nyina so mompae na me fa me focus o ade na asem na ne efi nanum na eba no enu na hia me no asem na efi nanum na eba no ene senia mesi asomo na ebe ya adwuma ma me no eno ho na ya amedwene enti me de anuonyam manyame ene nwumire se waya anwanwade enti sa wo so na wo de maaya ye wo nyankopon obeye kosunya gidie wa awurade mu se obeye eye mmere senia no nsia bompire no na ebo anopa bo anwumire no so obi de ebo anopa wo so de ebebo anwumire nya abotre ma awurade eye abotre na esi enyama awurade nia wope na woye ti enya abotre ma no wobeye no onyam nka awurade na awurade nhia na ko a wa ma ne ho kwan se awurade mfa ne so na ewieye mmiri mo mfa ne nya adwuma na wanya eyira ka ne ho a o support no nyame nhira mo bebre nyame nkoso ma oduma ewo papa so no enkoso nye kese na emontre eno nyam nka awurade ene ewo ne a waye adumti amen.
Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving